What's for lunch today, I wonder, thought Clive. It was always a nice surprise. And who knew that peanut butter and bacon could be so delicious? Or banana and mayonnaise for that matter. Clive's wife had even become a cult hero in the office. People taking daily guesses on the contents of his sandwiches. Some even tried to copy the bizarre mixes, but they could never match Sheila's creativity. Clive actually felt cool for the first time in his life. A quick glance at his watch told him it was 1 o'clock, and he duly opened his very own lunchbox of delights. There inside was a hand. A severed hand. Clive slammed the lid shut. Surely just his imagination playing tricks. The second glance proved him wrong. There was no mistaking the horror before him. Right on cue, his stomach rumbled. He looked down at the hand again. Sheila's never been wrong before, he thought. A short while later, as he sucked the last bit of flesh off the bone, he smiled to himself. Yes, that was absolutely delicious. Turns out I didn't do much in October, except gradually turn into an egg. I hope yours was exciting. You probably want to know what books I read. I read 2 books in October. My brother's book, Uki and the Ghost Sparrow. My brother is a children's author, in case you didn't know, and this is the 6th book in his Podkin series. If you want to find out about him and his books, I'll put his website link below. I also read The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde by Robert Louis Stevenson. I didn't realise this book was so short. It's tiny. It's quite peculiar because you know the big reveal before it's happened. So the characters have almost outgrown the book. But nonetheless, it was quite interesting, and it was written way back in 1886. Worth a read, probably, yes. But there's so many books to read, aren't there? Right. Alright, cool dudes. That's it. I hope you're having a good month, whatever month you're in the future. Stay cool.
Bye.